Hey guys, it's me, Supernote20 once again. Sorry for that last video. I know it was like really cringe and really bad, but bear with me for this one. There's just this really weird HTML bug that I just found. Like, by the way, I'm like using Flask and everything. This is index. This is like my main page. There you can see that. And there's this really weird bug where, can you see this commentated part here? It's commentated, but it's running. It's generally running. Like, let me run my page. Sorry, it's hard with just one hand. So yeah, sorry for the scuffed cam with the phone and whatnot. And I'll reload my page for you to see. And look, it like all this is loading. This is the commentated part of the code, by the way. Like, we should not be able to see this. And just as proof, you know, if I get some error here, I don't know what that one is. It pops up all the time, like whatever. Okay, so I just close the server real quick there. Like I'll close the however that is called. I don't know. I'm no engineer. Server or whatever. Okay, so now I have no, actually let me like delete it. Okay, let me delete that bit part of the code, and now if I run this again, you will see that, you know, we should be seeing no change. But if I reload, do you see the scroll right here? If I reload, it's gone, right? Like this thing. Okay, but yeah, you get the idea. You don't need me to show you. But like this and this should be no different. Yet somehow, I don't know, I just like, what am I supposed to do now? Delete all the comments in my code? Because if they're still going to run, you know, like, should I go through all my files and delete every single commentated bit just in fear that it might run? I don't know, just really weird. And yeah, that's spooky. If you know what the cause of that is, actually let me show you like my Flask. I don't know why I'm doing this, you know, instead of showing like, instead of screen sharing like my GitHub or something, nah, just with the phone and everything. It's so scuffed. But yeah, I don't know, maybe it has to do with the way I set up my Flask app. This is the Flask framework. It's in Python. So yeah, if there's anywhere where errors might come from, don't worry about this, by the way. This is just from the BEMP. It runs anyway. Don't pay that no mind. It's a red herring, okay? But yeah, if that spooky bug is to come from somewhere, like, my first suspect as a very rookie detective would be that like it has to be some of the Flask Jinja sorcery going on, right? Because if the HTML has a commentated bit, maybe I should try that out, you know? Maybe I should try, I don't know how to do it, but like it would be interesting to run the HTML file standalone, you know, on its own, to check whether that commentated snippet still gets executed or not. Because if it doesn't, then the bug is here, and if it does, then the bug is on the HTML file itself, you know. But if I were to bet without testing that like beforehand, it has to be here, you know. It has to. Oh, some thunderstorm going rampant outside. Okay, that's it. Sorry for the long video, but yeah, spooky bug. Has this ever occurred to you? Or maybe do you have any clues on why this might be happening? I don't know, super weird. So yeah, well, you have like the source code in my GitHub anyway, but by the time you see this, maybe I have already committed like 100 times. So yeah, it's not too reliable, I guess. But yeah, catch you around, I guess. And thank you for watching. And yeah, just a really weird bug. And it has never happened to me before. Usually commentated code doesn't run. So that it was just the very first thing that something like this has happened to me ever in like programming. Well, not that HTML is programming, but okay, at least the Python bit is, I guess. But yeah, just really, really weird. And yeah, bye. Have a nice day.